Oh, there goes a rolling SUV. Emergency services are nearby right now. They're sending rolling SUVs into the little parking area, the little intersection here. There's rolling SUVs.
Anyway, let's go in and get this.
Alright, I need some breathing space. And you point at the floor so they don't.
Don't get something that's like got echinacea or some kind of immunity booster because you won't like it. Just get a nice.
What's echinacea? You know what you can get, but I'm not sure if I want to add it? They can add you into your drink. Probably if it's a flavorful drink, you won't notice it, but they could add little nutritional doses, like zinc and collagen to my drink, so I could just rock climb with. Why is Barbarito selling crispy chicken sandwiches? Well, Barbarito's selling crispy chicken. Monkeys are not real. Get all of that. Look at all of those ingredients in my butt. My dad doesn't want to acknowledge the stupid stuff I get on wit. Witty. Like the can someone send me someone smarter and be with an idiot guy and the FBI or whatever. This is the greatest place to go. It's so good, and they are so friendly.
Are you
there.
getting Firehouse or are you getting or something else completely different?
What's up, guys? I'm back. It has snowed quite a bit, and it's still snowing outside right now. There's Mommy. She is currently sick. There's my narcissistic self in the mirror. I'm a narcissist. Let's look at the mirror some more. And there's even a crystal showing up in the windows of my bedroom. It's about 6 a.m. And this is this is Stan LaFay YT. Was that a real fart?
Yes, Sally.
Okay,
Now get that out of my face.
Here comes Daddy waking up.
Yeah.
Breaking news interview.
Yeah, no, not until I use the washroom.
What do you think about this morning? Look how much snow we've got.
No, it's good.
It's like a foot.
Everything's just covered. Oh.
It's been fun right now. I've got to go. It even got on my window. Look,
Oh, I
there's
know,
ice crystals on my window. Oh, she's outside with Todd. Boo's paw. Hey, Boo.
Five
Breaking news interview with Mommy.
drumsticks.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
No, ice cream he was talking
I
about.
don't know. It's just out of nowhere. We weren't talking about chicken. We weren't talking about anything. We were talking about food, and suddenly there's so many drumsticks in a 10-pound bag. I have no idea.
My mom has no idea about life. She's really bad at parenting, actually.
There'd be at least
She let her son have a slice
2 to
of
3 in
cake
a
for
pound though, right?
breakfast.
Oh, I'm sure it would probably be at least 5.
Stanley,
Get it away from me.
10-pound bag. $15. Yeah, go on.
Dad, you know what?
Well, I gotta drive to Oshawa to do it.
Talk about your bathroom schedule.
Well, I took a crap. Okay, go on. Scram. Get out. Get out. I got your bidet sound. Next time you need to take crap.
When I'm recording. Got me a slice of cake. Wholesome slice of cake. Just this big humble slice of cake. Just like wholesome, heartwarming slice of cake. So let's pull over this cake right here so I can eat this cake.
That's next week. I want to see that one.
Yeah, that tuna might make some nice tuna cakes. I'm not exactly sure 100%.
Put on whatever you want. Hey?
It's so good. My channel's 3 years old. Horrible freeze. Alright guys, I don't know why that foot keeps attacking, but I'm gonna go on my Switch and show you guys my new tutorial. This is how it's a foot.
I'm not doing it now.
Wait, wiggle the...
Ow, boo.
Okay.
Is that who I think it is? Shadow! Shadow? Is that you? Is it Shadow? Is that Shadow? Hey, Shadow! 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 Hey, Shadow! Come here! Shadow! I haven't seen you until today for a while. It's been a while. Hey, Shadow. Shadow? 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 See, Shadow doesn't like me anymore or something.
Emotional damage.
Shadow? Oh my Williams! I haven't seen Shadow in so long. He's finally back out and walking the neighborhood again. That's nice. Wait, I'm gonna look. Alright, there we go. He's just watching YouTube. I actually told my mom I haven't seen him at all for a while. And then this morning, go out, see him. Shadow. Shadow! She's gonna do what I'm doing. So it's not just... Just come. Just come out. I need you to see something weird. Or rather interesting. There is mommy. Dun, 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 dun. Da, da, dun, dun. My mom didn't get any sleep last night.
What did you do?
Oh, he just wanted to know to see what was going on. I need you to see something really weird. What's that over there?
It's Shadow.
Shadow! Shadow!
Shadow, are you ignoring us?
Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. He came over earlier.
You're not poo.
You know what? I thought something was going down for a second because there's a squirrel making a sound out there and going up the tree, and then Shadow starts running across. I thought he was going in for the kill for a second. What's up, guys? I'm back. It's another day, and it's another Booster Juice smoothie. It's Thursday, and tomorrow I go somewhere very special I haven't been in years. Woo! All right. Don't need to lose my mind in a psychotic manner. I have been diagnosed with needing to work a minimum wage. So, yeah. Skiddity all bop, 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 bop. Yes, yes, yes. So this isn't a smoothie. Yep. But we're gonna get it filled up at the store. Here we go, Booster Juice for the win. Look at all of that juice in there. Look at all of those ingredients. Also, no, it's just plastic.